चौधरी का कहना है कि मुस्तहकम अफगानिस्तान खित्ते के मफाद में है, जबकि अफगानिस्तान में अदम इस्तेहकाम पाकिस्तान समेत पूरे खित्ते पर असरअंदाज होता है। वाशिंगटन में अमरीकी मीडिया के नुमाइंदों से गुफ्तगू में एजाज चौधरी का कहना था।
Ambassador Shannon, Under Secretary of State for Political Affairs, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the Embassy of Pakistan. And this particular day is special for us, and thank you for coming over to share our happiness. This day is special in many ways for me. I arrived here only last week and I'm trying to still settle down, but this town and this country is not new for me. As many of you would know, I studied in the Tufts University years ago and then was posted to this very embassy in 1999 and 2000 for a very brief period because I got pulled out by my former boss to New York, where I stayed for a good 6 years plus. So this is sort of fourth time that I am here in this country, a great country with great values and great people. So my children grew up here, so I have a very special association, and this happens to be my very first public event, so I'm feeling very happy about it. The second reason why we feel very happy about it is because this year marks the 70 years of our independence, our state as an independent state. So that is something which is very special for us, and we will be launching a number of programs to mark that joy, and I hope that you all can join.
ये है TNN TV, देखते रहिए ताज़ा तरीन खबरें और एक्सक्लूसिव रिपोर्ट्स।